Hi students, I am Priyanka Jain and I am a verified educator at the Unacademy Plus platform. You can watch several of my Plus classes. Okay, I have soon started a Catalyst batch course for the whole inorganic chemistry. You will see whole the inorganic chemistry in this course, and this is for the upcoming June 2022 exam of the CSIR net as well as for the GATE exam. Okay, so if you want to see different of the my lectures, different courses, you can see on the Unacademy. Take the subscription of the Unacademy. And if you want to see the free classes, there are also several free classes. Every month I take several free classes. You can watch these free classes without taking subscription. So for this, you will have to uncode my code. My code is Priyanka Jain 10. By clicking on this code, you will get the link for my classes. Thank you. Hi students, welcome in chemistry classes. I am Priyanka Jain and you are watching here the questions from the February 2022 question paper of CSIR net exam. Okay, so see here the question is from the NMR spectroscopy organic portion. Okay, here we have to identify a organic compound on the basis of the NMR analysis. We have given which of following compound has 1H NMR spectrum. We have given the details. A singlet at 2.4. Okay, here is a singlet at 2.4 delta value, right, for 3 hydrogens. Another singlet is at 3.9 for 3 hydrogens. Next is 7.25, a doublet for which J is equal to 7 Hz for 2 hydrogens. Okay, and this one is 7.95, a doublet. J value is 7 Hz for 2 hydrogens. So here J value is 7 Hz, that denotes that these hydrogens are ortho hydrogens. Okay, and this value 7.25 and 7.95 denotes that these are for the aromatic compounds, and all the compounds that we have given are aromatic. Okay, and these are the hydrogens that are present at these positions. Okay, like this, these are the hydrogens. So these are present in all of the 4 options. So this is not of our importance. From this we cannot judge which compound we have to find out. Okay, so we have to go to the next point. We have given two values, a singlet at 2.4 and a singlet at 3.9. See here, 3.9 delta value, we have given a singlet for 3 hydrogens. It means a CH3 group is present, right? For the methyl group, the basic value comes at the 0.9. We know. If you have seen the Claydon book, you will get a general information about this thing. So the basic value of the CH3 comes at 0.9, and when it is attached to a C double bond O OMe group, it means a ester group. If this is attached in this manner, this methyl group is attached to C double bond O groups, it means a ester group, then we will add a additional value of 3.0, right? So total value becomes 3.9. So this value is for the ester group attached to a methyl groups. Okay, now you can see in the option number A we have given this O C double bond O CH3. It means this is a ester group. Okay, and here this is CH3 group. This is not a ester group, so this cannot happen. Again, see here, this is a CH3 group. Okay, no ester group is present. This is the ketone attached to it, so it is also not answer. Now see in option C, we have given OCH3, C double bond O OCH3. So again here we have given a ester group. So the answer can be either A option or the C option. Now we have to identify between these two options. Okay, in the option number A we have given OCH3 group. Okay, and in option number C we have given a CH3 group. Here a CH3 group is attached to an aromatic ring, and here a CH3 group is attached to OC6H5. It means in option number A we have given C6H5 OCH3, like that. Okay, and in option number C we have given C6H5 CH3, such type of grouping. Whenever CH3 is attached to this C6H5O group, phenoxy group, what will happen? The basic value for the CH3 group will be 0.9, and if we are taking for this phenoxy group, the basic value will come around 2.5. So here the basic value comes at 3.4 delta. and that is not given to us. So option number A cannot occur. Now see here, we have given a phenyl group attached to CS3. So basic value for CS3 is 0.9 and a phenyl group is attached to it. So basic value for phenyl group attached to CS3 is 1.5. So add this, we are getting 2.4 delta. Okay, so the answer you can see here, we have given 2.4, a singlet for 3 hydrogens at 2.4 delta. So this can be our answer. Okay, so the answer is option number C, right? In this way, you have to do the questions based on the NMR spectroscopy, specifically organic spectroscopy. Okay, meets you in the next video with some more lectures. And if you are liking these videos, please share, please subscribe, and please comment us. Thank you.